Do you know 70% of the surface of our planet was covered by the ocean? You cannot believe that approximately 97% of the water can be found on the earth is from the ocean. Half of the oxygen we need to breathe in the air comes from it. It also plays an important role in climate regulation, transportation, and providing food and medicine to human beings. However, the ocean is experiencing unprecedented pollution nowadays. Plastic waste, oil spills, manufactured chemicals, and mercury run into the ocean due to human activities, which exacerbated the pollution and resulted the negative effects on human health. My name is Yulan Chen. Today I'm going to pursue to reduce pollution of the ocean and specifically explain what changes you can do in daily life to protect the ocean. So, ocean pollution is widespread and poorly controlled in most countries. According to the National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration, 80% of the ocean pollution began on land. One of the biggest sources is called non-point source pollution, which occurs as a result of runoff. It carries pollutants like agriculture, fertilizers, pesticide, plastic, and toxic metals. Plastic pollution increased rapidly and is highly visible. Statistics show that an estimated 10 million metric tons of plastic waste enter the seas every year, which has a direct and a deadly impact on marine wildlife. For example, according to the World Wildlife Fund, 20% of the sea turtles can be sentenced to death if they wrongly eat one plastic item. Then you can see a picture. The sea turtle is eating a plastic bag right here. Sharp plastic will rupture their organs, leaving them unable to feed and die of starvation. Mercury is a metal toxic pollutant that comes from two main sources. One is coal combustion and small-scale gold mining. Once it runs into the ocean, it will accumulate in fish and finally be delivered to humans, which can damage the nervous system, kidneys, liver, and immune system. And the third type of ocean pollution will be oil pollution. So, on the other hand, researchers found that petroleum-based pollutants reduce photosynthesis in marine microorganisms that generate oxygen. It results in increased absorption of carbon dioxide into the seas. Consequently, it destroys coral reefs and impairs shellfish development. So in a word, ocean pollution harms human health and the ecosystem and the environment. So to reduce the ocean pollution, it's not only the government's duty to do that. They can make laws, policies using the technology and enforcement to control the ocean pollution. But for our individuals, we can also take actions in daily life to decrease ocean pollution. So if we can work together to reduce ocean pollution, we will see a huge improvement in marine biodiversity, climate change, and human health. So if you love diving, you can see turtles enjoy their life living in the sea instead of running around hurt by plastic bags. You can also see beautiful reefs in the seabed protecting marine animals and the ecosystem. So as plastic release greenhouse gases, the reduction of plastic pollution can also improve global warming. Furthermore, it can prevent the ocean from leveling up. Last but not least, it's significant. Reducing ocean pollution gives humans a better health. Statistics shows that 23 million mt of seafood went to human consumption in 2018. You can imagine that all this seafood were polluted and finally eaten by human beings. There's no doubt human beings is facing a great threat. So reducing ocean pollution is a way to save humans. Reducing ocean pollution not only benefits the ocean itself, but also for our human beings. So what can we do to save the ocean? So first of all, I would suggest reducing your use of single-use plastic, which include plastic bags, water bottles, straws, cups, and take-out containers. The best way to refuse any single-use plastic item if you don't need it, it would be better to carry a recycled bag when you do some shoppings. The other thing you can do is to participate or organize a beach or river cleanup. You can simply go to the beach and collect the trash with your friends and your families. And it's also a good idea to join a local organizations, clean up. Most importantly, spread the word. It's everybody's responsibility to know how harmful ocean pollution is. Never hesitate to let others know what they can do to protect our Earth. Take action today. It's never too late to embrace a better world. Thank you so much for your listening. And there's some reference down here that I use for this speech. Thank you so much.